Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make shapes unclickable in Power BI. This is particularly useful when you're using shapes as design elements or backgrounds and don't want them interfering with your interactive visuals or buttons. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your Power BI desktop application. Once you're in, you'll be working with your report canvas where all your visuals and design elements live. For this tutorial, let's say you have a rectangle shape that you've added to your report for decorative purposes or to group certain visuals together. Now click on that rectangle shape to select it. When you click on it, you'll notice that the shape becomes active and you can see selection handles around it. This is important because it tells Power BI which element you want to modify. Next, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. Here you'll see a panel labeled Format Shape. This is your control center for all the styling and behavior settings related to the shape you've selected. Click on Format Shape to access these options. Within the Format Shape panel, look for the General option at the top. Click on it, and it will open up the General tab. This tab contains various settings that control how your shape behaves within your report, beyond just its visual appearance. Now that you're in the General tab, scroll down until you find Properties. Click on Properties to expand this section. The Properties area houses important settings that determine how your shape interacts with other elements on your canvas. Inside the Properties section, you'll see an option called Advanced Options. Go ahead and click on it. This is where Power BI keeps some of the more specialized settings that control object behavior and layering. Finally, within Advanced Options, you'll find a toggle switch labeled Maintain Layer Order. Turn this option on by clicking the toggle. Once you activate this setting, your shape will no longer be clickable or selectable during report interaction. It essentially locks the shape into its layer, preventing it from interfering with any interactive elements like buttons, slicers, or other visuals that users might need to click on. And that's it. Your shape is now unclickable and will stay in the background exactly where you placed it, allowing your users to interact with the important elements of your report without accidentally selecting decorative shapes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.